Good day, guys, and welcome to my hurricane forecast. In this forecast, I'm going to be talking about tropical disturbance 1 and also tropical disturbance 2. Before I begin this video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on all post notifications as it helps a lot. So guys, I'm going to be talking about tropical disturbance 1 and tropical disturbance 2. Tropical disturbance 1 is currently affecting portions of Haiti and also the Dominican Republic with very heavy rains and also the potential for some flooding, while tropical disturbance 2 is just placed towards the east of the Lesser Antilles, and that's not expected to develop. So those are the two waves that we were talking about that could potentially have the threat for developing. So guys, this system, as I said, if this system develops, it might develop when it gets all the way out to sea, as some models indicate, and this system might have the potential for developing just towards the east of the Bahamas. But regardless of what, this system is still going to be bringing very significant flood threats towards portions of the Bahamas and also portions of Haiti and the Dominican Republic as this system continues to pass towards the north. And guys, this system is going to move very quickly over you guys, but guys, you should expect some flooding and very heavy rains regardless of development from this system if you live in the Bahamas. So guys, we're going to continue to monitor this system. So the both of these systems have a low chance of formation, but this system has the more higher chance of formation, as I see the chances potentially getting higher. So guys, maybe conditions might be right for some development of this system, but upper level wind seems to be tearing apart this system. But still, as I said, some development might be anticipated if this system moves towards that area and gets out to sea, and development will be associated with this system when this system reaches up towards the east of the Bahamas. So guys, that's the area that it should be expected to develop in, and then this system is going to be moving out towards sea, while some models show that this system, the remnants of this travels towards the continues to travel towards the northwest, and then it collides with this, and this just forms a storm with tropical disturbance 1, and that's highly possible at this time. So guys, now we're going to move on towards forecast models on these both systems. So guys, the models that we're going to be running is going to be the CMC and also the GFS model. So the first model we're going to be running is going to be the GFS model. So here's our tropical disturbance 2, and here's our tropical disturbance 1. Tropical disturbance 1 seems to be less developed than tropical disturbance 2 at this point. So let's continue. Let's start to run the models on the both of these systems. So as we start to run the models, we notice that here's our tropical disturbance 1. We see the system starts to get more organized, while tropical disturbance 2, the remnants, move into that and start to help this to organize with the amount of moisture that it moves on with. So guys, we're going to continue to run the model. So as we get further out into the model, we see potentially a tropical storm forming right to the north of the Bahamas, towards the northeast of the Bahamas. And don't worry about this system because it will not form when it gets close to you guys. It's going to form when it gets to the north of you guys, but still there is going to be very heavy rains that's going to be associated with this system as it passes towards the northeast of that area. So guys, we're going to continue to run the models to see what happens with this system as we get out into the future. So we see that this system, here's our system, this system tries to intensify stronger, pressure drops down to 1006 millibar, maybe a tropical storm at this point. We don't know if this is going to be Wanda or not, but still it has the potential for getting the name Wanda, but still not yet certain, but it remains uncertain. But this system is going to move off towards the northeast, and it's going to continue to strengthen and weaken until it gets into some unfavorable weather conditions. So here's the remnants of this system as it moves towards the northeast. So guys, we're going to continue to monitor this system regardless of what. So we're going to move on towards the CMC model. same situation we see unfolding on the CMC model. The system moves just to the north, and this system intensifies into somewhat of a tropical depression or a tropical storm. You can see pressure down to 1007 millibar, and this system is moving towards the northeast at this time. So we're going to continue to run the models. So as the farther we get out in the models, the system starts to getting well organized, and you can see it might be a tropical storm at this point. So as I said, there is a potential for this to become Wanda, but yet it still seems uncertain at this point because this is way about 5 days from now. So we're going to continue to run the model on this system to see what happens with this system. So this system starts to get fairly disorganized at this point, but you can still see that this system has a good amount of vorticity associated with it, as the amount of moisture content shows. So guys, this system might be a tropical depression at this point, moving off towards the northeast. So guys, we're going to continue to pay attention to the both of these systems, guys, and thank you guys for watching this forecast. I'm going to be issuing more forecasts, and thank you guys for watching.